Tonight I'm really excited to show you Sessionfire, the next generation presentation tool, and actually the very first alpha version of it, and show you a couple of features to get you excited. So Sessionfire is a presentation tool, and you want to start off by using an old presentation tool like Keynote or PowerPoint and just create or load up your old presentation and then export the presentation as images. So just in Keynote, hit File, Export, and save them as images, and the same you can easily do with PowerPoint too. And afterward you can go ahead and start Sessionfire and actually just load that very folder you've just created the images in. So just choose presentation, example here, and this loads up your presentation in Sessionfire. So Sessionfire is a presentation tool, very easy presentation tool of your slides, and you have different kind of controls here on the left side, and this is the main window which shows your presentation. If you want to choose show your presentation in full screen mode, just hit F to show the whole presentation. Afterwards you can just go ahead and just hit next for the next slide. This has now a line layout and a very nice zoom in, zoom out features. And what you can do is just hit next, keep going, hitting next, and this will goes you through all the slides here. Very nice if you want to skip a slide. We have different kind of layouts. There's a line layout, there's a tiling layout right here, and there's a circle layout, and you want to fool around with those. Besides these layouts, we have different animations. There are 2 animations right now, many more to come. So move layout is just moving to the next rather than zooming out, zooming in. You can choose a different background color and a different text, and what you want to do is fool around with the controls down here, because here you can change the angle of your slides. So you can rotate them in the X, Y, and Z axis, and just see what happens there. And I'm going to show you a nice little version of the slide. So I just turn them around here a little, and maybe, I don't know, just go here this way and that way, and then suddenly the presentation looks totally different. So go ahead and play with it and give us feedback. We're really happy about it. But there's one more thing, and the one more thing is the awesome iPhone remote control. So get the iPhone remote control from us and start it up. I'm going to show you this in the simulator here. You want to enter the IP that is shown below here, and you want to do this on a private network so nobody can interfere. And then just hit the IP and select connect, and the iPhone remote control just loads up the presentation into the iPhone. And what you can do now is going to turn this around here. You see the presentation on your iPhone. What you can really do now is just use this as a remote control like you would expect, and see the current image. So go hit the bottom for previous, and the top for the next slide. But the great thing about it is, what you can always do is go back and seeing what you have done without changing the slides on the presentation. And if you start